Well, 2 straight days of gains on Wall Street, sizable gains, in fact. A rise in oil prices, optimism over the economy, even positive news out of Greece. Yes, Greece helped fuel the rise. And get this, some investment pros say now that higher interest rates may not spell trouble for the economy or stocks after all. With that, the Dow Jones Industrial Average climbed 145 points to 17,851. The Nasdaq added 33, and the S&P 500 was up 14. But the market had a long list of worries just a short time ago. So what happened to them all? Dominic Chu explains.
Many of the market risks haven't changed, but the market perceptions of how risky they are may have. So we've put a lot of the hot button topics up on our thermometer here of risks to the overall market. We'll start with some of the ones that traders are valuing pretty highly right now. A summer interest rate hike from the Fed, possibly. The ripple effects there could be huge. Also, watching what's happened with a possible Brexit, that is to say a UK leaving of the European Union. Also, perhaps a roiling of the markets around that. And, of course, what's happening with the U.S. elections coming up this fall. China was a huge topic last year and into this year early, and it still remains a big topic, but maybe not as important or not as flaring as it was at that point here. Corporate earnings slightly better than expected, although still not great, not as hot a topic here. And oil prices, they've stabilized. We thought they were going to go down huge, but they've managed to stabilize for now, so maybe not as much of a risk, at least for this moment. And then, of course, one other thing to watch here, U.S. economic data has generally gotten better. It's up for debate right now, but still, some people say that if the U.S. economic situation isn't going gangbusters, but is still going good enough, is that enough to help power the markets? All of these will be risks being assessed by traders and investors throughout the course of the summer months and, of course, into the U.S. elections this fall. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Dominic Chu.